Hello students, today I am going to discuss price ceiling. What is price ceiling? I am going to discuss it. Price ceiling is the maximum legal price which is the suppliers can change for a particular goods or services. Who can change? Supplier can change for a particular goods or services. Okay. In another way I have written, many a time the government fix the maximum price in order to freeze the price of a particular commodity. The maximum permissible price is known as price ceiling. Okay. What is price ceiling? You have already knew the definition. Okay. So I am going to draw the diagram, then you can understand it very easily. Try to see the diagram of price ceiling. Okay. You see the diagram. This is the diagram of price ceiling. Okay. I am going to prove it. How government fix the price, you will understand it without any hesitation. I am going to discuss it. Okay. I think you can see it very easily without any problem. Okay. So price ceiling is what? Government fix the price. Okay. Government fix the price. So this is price. Okay. And this is quantity. We know very well this is demand and this is supply and this is equilibrium point. Okay. This is equilibrium point. Now price changed from P to P1, P to P1, price changed, clear. Then equilibrium price will also change Q to Q1, Q to Q1. Now equilibrium point, at first equilibrium price was that, okay, this point. Now equilibrium point changed, okay, E1, clear. Equilibrium point change. How? Now I am going to discuss it. Government told that whenever you will sell any product, then you will have to sell any product below the equilibrium price. Okay, below the equilibrium price. This is equilibrium point and this is below the equilibrium point. Okay. If any products demand is too high, suppose internet demand is too high, okay, everybody are using internet connections, okay, its demand is too high, okay, internet connection, more demand, but its supply is very low. Many few companies in the market, they are selling the internet, okay, so then its supply is low. It means what? Government told that, government is already telling that whenever demand will increase or more increase, either onion or internet etc., then you cannot increase your price higher. Okay, you cannot increase your price high. Okay, if demand is high, then you cannot increase your price high. Okay, the government will fix the price. Okay, government will fix the price. Try to understand the another way. Suppose onion is rupees 80, onion price is increases 100, again increases 150. Then government is seeing that if onion price, you cannot sell the onion more than 150, its price will be between the 80 to 150. Okay, the government fix the price. Okay, you cannot sell, you will not sell, you will not see the equilibrium point. Okay, you can't sell more than 150 rupees. If demand is too high, okay, but you cannot increase the price. Okay, you cannot increase the price. Clear? You will be not able to increase the price because government fix the price of onion between, you will have to keep the price between 80 to 150. Okay. Then we listen, many people started, many people starts black marketing. Okay, we listen. So it means what? It is better to many supplier starts black marketing, but it is not good. It is your duty to sell the onion or internet. Okay, not the above price. Okay, because price is fixed by the government. Government will decide the price of internet, onion, etc. Okay. In this field, government will interfere. You will have to sell the any product below the equilibrium point, below the equilibrium point. Okay, clear? If you are not getting the equilibrium, in spite of, you will have to sell the below the equilibrium price. Okay, don't search equilibrium. Okay, so I think you can. It means what? Try to understand again. I am going to start the definition again. Try to see the definition. Many a time the government fix the maximum price in order to freeze the price. It means what? Suppose onion is maximum price is 150, then it will not increase 200, 250 because governments, it is order to freeze the price. Okay, this maximum permissible price is known as price ceiling. Okay, this is called price ceiling. Okay, clear? I think you can understand it. Okay, so please don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel. Okay, please don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching this video.